want to show you how to play this rock, funky, gospel-y, or whatever you might call it, groove. Now we're gonna start small and we build it up bit by bit. So it's not gonna be hard for you to learn. Okay, so let's start with the chords. We have one flat 7/4 chord progression in the key of C major. So the chords are gonna be C major, B flat major, and F major. Now we're gonna use inversions. We're gonna play C major in the first inversion, like this, E, G, and C. B flat major in the second inversion, F, B flat, and D. We're actually gonna play B flat sus2. So it's F, B flat, and C. You just move your pinky from D to C, just to make it a bit more interesting. And we're gonna leave F major in the root position, F, A, and C. Okay? Now in the left hand, we're gonna play octaves. We're gonna have C octaves, B flat octaves, and you can use F octaves for F major, but I actually like to use fifth for this particular group, F and C. Now go ahead and play this chorus with me. We have C major for 2 beats, B flat sus2 for 2 beats, and that concludes one measure. And then we have F major for the whole measure, 4 beats. So we have 2 measures long groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we want to do next is we want to add some rhythm, right? And a good way to start is to add a quarter notes rhythm. So we're gonna hit 2 times per chord, C 2 times, B flat sus2 2 times, and F major 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple, right? Now let's add some rhythm to the left hand. We're gonna keep playing on beats in the right hand, but now we're also gonna play on off beats in the left hand. So we have an 8 notes rhythm here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're gonna play on these ands in the left hand. 1 and 2. So you play hands together, octaves in the left hand, chord in the right hand, and you go together, left, right. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3, 4. Now notice how I played short, long, long, short, long, long. So first it's kind of detached, and then you hold a little bit longer. 3, 4. Now let's add a bit more rhythm to the left hand. 1 and 2 and. So you play the same thing as before, but now, right before you move to the next chord, you play this top octave note with your thumb. So 1 and 2 and you move to the next chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3, 4. Now notice we stay on the F major chord for the whole bar. Like we play it for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do nothing, like for 2 other beats. And usually when you have that, when you have these gaps, you want to add something, because otherwise it's a little bit boring. So what we want to do is we want to add some fill. How about something like that? So we play F major for 2 beats, 1 and 2, and starting from the 3rd beat, we are throwing this fill. So we have E flat major, first inversion, G, B flat, E flat. We hit it twice. Then we go B flat 1 time, and then we're back to F major. Okay? Now the rhythm here is, we have a 16 notes fill here. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, you see? 3 E and a 4 E and a. Here is the whole thing slowly. Now, let's add a bit more rhythm to this fill. So we are filling the gaps in the rhythm with the left hand. So you play this top octave note with your left hand, and you go, and the rhythm is 3 E and 4 E and. Now before we move on and add even more rhythm, let's make it sound a bit more bluesy by adding slides. So when you play C major, you can slide from G flat to G. So you hit E, G flat and C, and then you slide from G flat to G. But of course you do this fast. Now we're gonna leave D flat sus2 without slides, but when you play F major, you can slide from A flat to A. So you hit F minor chord, and then you slide from the minor third to the major third. So we have now we can add even more rhythm. Let's start with the first measure. So instead of playing like this, we're gonna play it like this. Okay, so basically we play the same thing as before, except that here, right before you move to the B flat chord, you anticipate it. You play F and then B flat. And the rhythm here is 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay? 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Here's the ending for the B flat. B flat in the left hand, F in the right hand. Now for the second measure, we're gonna add more rhythm to this fill. So now we fill all those gaps in the 16 notes rhythm, starting from this fill. So now in the left hand we play C as before, but we also add an F. And we play C, F in the left hand, E flat in the right hand twice, C in the left hand, B flat in the right hand, C, F in the left hand, F in the right hand, C in the left hand. And the rhythm is and 3 E and 4 E and pretty busy rhythm. But it's actually not that terribly hard to play. Alright, that's it for now. Have fun with this one, and till the next time.